Once you have organized things in Docs, you can switch to design collaboration and create teams for your project. Teams represent companies or specific functions within companies. For example, you might create a set of teams for an architect and each of their consultants. Or you might create teams for disciplines inside a single firm, such as mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire protection. To get started, click the Add Team button on the Teams tab in the Settings area of Design Collaboration. If you have previously created a folder to represent the team in Docs, click Select Existing Folder and navigate to the desired folder. You can adjust the default color of a team as it appears when viewing the aggregated project model and on the timeline of the Design Collaboration module. Once you have set up your teams in Design Collaboration, you can manage team membership by selecting a team and clicking on Manage Team Members. When members are added, you will assign them one of 4 permission levels: View, Create, Edit, or Manage. By default, member permissions are inherited from Docs. However, you can assign unique permissions by user, role, or company as needed.